COVID-19, SARS-CoV-2 antigen test kit, self-testing for layperson test procedure. Preparation before testing. Wash and disinfect hands. The kit consists of anterior nasal swab, antigen extract R1, biohazard waste bag, tube stand, instruction for use and test cassette. Reagent preparation. Place the extraction tube on the tube stand. Remove the sealing film of the tube. Sample collection. Remove the swab from the package. Do not touch the swab head with your hands or anything else. Insert the entire soft end of the swab into your nostril for 1.5 cm to 2.0 cm into your nose. Slowly rotate the swab, gently pressing against the inside of your nostril at least 5 times for a total of 15 seconds. Gently remove the swab using the same swab and repeat the same steps in your other nostril with the same end of the swab. Sample processing. Put the swab specimen into the extraction tube. Rotate the swab for 10 seconds. Press the swab head against the tube wall. Squeeze the swab over the head while taking the swab out of the extraction tube. Put the used swab into biohazard waste bag. Install the dropper head on the extraction tube. Unseal the package and take out the test cassette. Add 2 to 3 drops into the specimen well of the test cassette and start the timer. Interpretation of results. Positive. Negative. Invalid. Put the used extract R1, extraction tube, test cassette into the biohazard waste bag. Wash and disinfect hands.